Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools will help you safely open your device without causing any damage. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 5 completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement process. Once it's off, place the device face down on a soft, clean surface to prevent scratches. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Position the suction cup near the edge of the device, pulling up while using the spudger to carefully pry open the seam. Take your time with this step. It's important to avoid cracking the screen. If you find this too challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have it done professionally. Once the screen is lifted, you'll see several screws securing the battery in place. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, remove these screws and keep them in a safe location. It's a good idea to use a magnetic tray to avoid losing any small parts. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This can be a bit tricky, so use your spudger to carefully pry it loose. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you're unsure at any point, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Now you can remove the old battery. Carefully lift it out of the device, taking care not to damage any internal components. Before installing the new battery, it's wise to clean the area with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help ensure a good connection and prolong the life of your new battery. With the area clean, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely attached. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the battery in place. Once everything is back in place, it's time to reattach the screen. Align it carefully and press down gently to snap it back into position. Make sure there are no gaps along the edges. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 5 to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you right from your home. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Surface Pro 5. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.